Seniors, stop for a moment, because what I'm about to share goes against almost everything most people believe about aging. Picture a quiet park in Tokyo early in the morning. A 92-year-old grandmother bends forward and touches her toes with ease. No chair, no wall, no grimacing, just smooth, relaxed movement. Meanwhile, many people in their 60s struggle just to put on their socks. This difference is not luck, and it's not genetics. Researchers in Japan noticed this pattern decades ago and began asking a simple question. Why do so many older adults there stay flexible, steady, and mobile for so long? What they found surprised nearly everyone. Almost 78% of Japanese adults over 80 can still sit on the floor and stand back up without using their hands. In the United States, that number is closer to 9%. The reason was not weightlifting, intense stretching, or expensive supplements. Instead, many of these elders follow a short nightly movement ritual before bed. 5 gentle movements, done calmly, taking about 12 to 15 minutes. Movements so simple that many Western doctors initially dismissed them, until imaging showed something remarkable. Joints producing more natural lubrication overnight, inflammation markers dropping, and flexibility improving to levels usually seen in people decades younger. One movement in particular seemed almost laughably easy, until scans showed renewed activity in joint cartilage where decline was expected. The first movement is a seated forward fold. You sit comfortably with your legs extended and your spine tall. Then slowly walk your hands forward without forcing anything. Breathing stays slow and relaxed while gravity does the work. Held for a couple of minutes before sleep, this position allows connective tissue to soften and reorganize. Seniors who practiced this nightly reported far less lower back stiffness and smoother movement in the morning. The timing matters. At night, the nervous system shifts toward repair and muscles stop resisting. You don't chase flexibility, you let it return. Even reaching only to the knees is enough when done consistently. Next comes a gentle spinal twist. Lying on your back with knees bent and arms relaxed out to the sides, you let both knees fall to one side while the shoulders stay heavy. After about a minute or two, you slowly switch sides. During the day, gravity compresses the spine and the discs lose fluid. This slow twisting motion helps create space and allows hydration to return. Many seniors notice easier turning of the head, less stiffness on waking, and smoother overall movement. Comfort is essential here, because a calm nervous system allows joints to release tension instead of guarding it. The third movement is the slow cat-cow flow. On hands and knees, the spine moves like a wave. As you inhale, the chest opens and the belly softens. As you exhale, the spine rounds and the abdomen gently draws in. There is no holding and no forcing, just smooth motion for a couple of minutes. This movement improves circulation of spinal fluid, which nourishes nerves, supports balance, and even helps the brain clear waste from the day. Seniors who practice this nightly reported deeper sleep, better balance, and less morning stiffness. If wrists are uncomfortable, the movement can be done on the forearms. The principle is adaptation, not perfection. Then attention shifts to the ankles and hips. Sitting comfortably, one leg extends and the ankle is slowly circled in both directions. Ankles contain many small joints and sensors that control balance. When they stiffen, knees and hips are forced to compensate. After the ankle, the hip is gently moved by drawing the knee toward the chest and making slow circles. Walking only moves the hips forward and back, but daily life requires rotation. These gentle circles help lubricate the joints and reduce stiffness overnight. Clicking without pain is normal and usually means the joint is waking back up. The final movement is the simplest and often the most powerful. You lie on your back and rest your legs up against a wall for a few minutes. The hips stay slightly away from the wall, the knees relaxed, and the breath slow. This position helps drain excess fluid from the legs, improves circulation, decompresses the spine, and signals the body to shift fully into recovery mode. Many seniors report less morning pain, lighter legs, and calmer sleep. For most people, it feels deeply restorative, though anyone with serious circulation or heart conditions should check with a doctor first. Together, these 5 movements take no more than 15 minutes. Japanese elders don't think of this as exercise. They see it as nightly maintenance, like brushing their teeth or washing their face. That consistency is the real secret. Aging does not automatically mean stiffness or decline. Joints respond at any age when they receive the right signals at the right time. Start gently, do it nightly, and let the body change at its own pace. If this helped, subscribe and share to help others.